performance, and versatility with up to 503 total square inches of cooking space. The cooking system is surrounded by a heavy gauge steel enameled firebox and is powered by 3 stainless steel burners that provide up to 36,000 total BTUs. Enameled steel heat tents protect the burners from food's natural juices and also help distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface. The cooking grates are made from cast iron and coated with a high-gloss porcelain enameled finish. Cast iron is ideal for retaining heat, while the enameled surface is ideal for transferring heat directly to the food for searing and locking in juices. The stainless steel lid assembly offers a double wall liner for retaining the maximum amount of heat, along with heavy-gauge, powder-coated steel end caps for stability. This grill is made for ease of use with an easy lift, wide grip handle, a push-button Dyna-Pulse electronic ignition system, an enclosed cabinet with stainless steel double-wall door, ample space for storing the propane tank and barbecue accessories, 4 heavy-duty casters for relocating the grill before and after use, including a locking caster to keep the grill in place during use. In addition to being easy to use, this grill is also stylish with a brushed stainless steel finish, a decorative, easy-to-read temperature gauge with stainless steel bezel, chrome-plated control knobs with bezel, 2 side shelves that offer space for food preparation, an integrated